Hello everyone and welcome back to Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 50 euro cents coin from Spain. Dated 2000. On the obverse side, this coin features King Juan Carlos I, who ruled Spain from 1975 to 2014, Yule. Also see the word España and the year 2000, representing Spain's modern history and monarchy. The reverse side shows the common European Union design, displaying the value 50 euro cent along with a map of Europe, symbolizing unity among EU member countries. This 2000 Spain 50 euro cents coin is made of Nordic gold, an alloy of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin. While most of these coins are common in circulation, high-grade uncirculated coins or minting errors can be worth more to collectors. Always check your coin for misprints, weak strikes, or off-center designs, as these errors can increase its value. If you enjoy learning about coins like this one, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.